ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia. Ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat Jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka Lynti ya jongpi, ka la ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khandai hinyo lai.
Ubak kerman Shilla ubadeu MLA juga Kleriat constituency ubelongru menteri juga Sarkar Jilla ulong balada ki Paidbah ki Pyrshah ke Jingpin Poi ke Lynti she East China Hills district mauru un Pyrshah na marba ye u la jedhi daki Paidbah benlong unong mi khmat na ka benda ka surjong Paidbah. Haka jikran ba kila pathai khubor haka pratrik uno pra araja arpulai ubak kerman Shilla ulong hadin ba menteri rang ba ka Jilla ukonra kongkel sangma ula pintip Pakadon ke jing terwa berwanra ke Lynti she East China Hills district ne kaliang jong unha banya silok shwa bagi Paidbah ba banwat ru ke jing tip ki bebenya hadukat no ke Lynti kan pin mento ki Paidbah jong keri lom jantia.
We heard from the Chief Minister that this proposal is there to implement and then to bring the train station in Meghalaya, especially in Khasi Hills or China Hills. So since then we start talking and then discussion with our people. I believe even the other MLAs are doing the same, especially both of us, me and Santamiri. So verbally discussion has been done most of whenever we have time, especially those different groups. So that's why not everyone support, not everyone are against. So the best is that we should have a big meeting where the people of East China Hills can give their views and comments on that. So for this, we should not be so much in a hurry. We'll see the best time and then where we can bring all into confidence, so that we should talk and then have open discussion and then give their own. If the majority is against, we are with the public. If the majority is for it, I am with the public. So that is how and why we are here as a legislator. There are few who oppose. When I talk to them, some of them oppose, they don't have any reason. And some of them, they they are for the train, they give their concern. But when I ask them, why do you support? Even they also, they don't have any ideas, why do they support? So for this, I would like to hear exactly, and I would like them to know why they support and why they are against also. Not just blindly support the train or just blindly against it. Because if we support blindly, it might affect later on, then we'll regret. And if we are against for it, what if it is very good and then we'll regret for it? I don't want my people to take a decision where it will affect them later and then where they will regret later. It has to be a combined, a combination of all the stakeholders and then the public should come into one concern and then either go for it or against it, not just blindly against. I'm not looking as a political mileage for anybody's, either for the MPP, UDPs, whatever it is. Here, all my concern and our concern is that the public, especially the public who will be getting the benefits, and in that area where we want to implement the railway, those people, whether they accept it or not. Nothing it should be for the mileage of any political parties. So I believe even they talk about it, they don't talk as a political party or as a UDP or NPP. They talk as a legislator, I believe. So here we are for the people, not just as a party man.